Hi all! In today's video, I will show you how to install Silio 2 on iOS 18.3.1. Silio 2 is the package manager that gives you best jailbreak features for your device. Let me show you the current iOS version of my iPhone. I have already updated my iPhone to the latest. So, without any further ado, let's get started. In the search bar, enter the following: Install Sileo iOS 18.3.1 silio2.com. Make sure to use the Safari browser. Safari is a fast, battery-efficient browser optimized for the Apple ecosystem, making it a top choice for users seeking a streamlined and secure browsing experience on Macs and iOS devices. Now from this search results, select the first link. Let's go further. Tap on Download Pale Rain online. Silio can be installed through Pale Rain. Jailbreak is the easiest pathway to download it. Once you installed jailbreak, open the app. After that, select the Pale Rain jailbreak and install it on your iPhone. With the installation completes, you will see Pale Rain iPadOS and terminal apps. Here, you need to open the Pale Rain iPadOS app and copy the code that matches your iPhone model. Go back to the home screen, open the terminal, and paste the code you just copied, then continue the process. Wait for some seconds to complete this process. Soon after that, tap on Download Pale Rain. It's your first step to get Silio Package Manager. Open the app in the home screen. Follow the steps I do. Then install Silio. Just that, you have successfully installed the Silio 2 on your iPhone. Now, I will show you how to work with Silio. Get Silio into your device and customize your iPhone in your way. Silio lets you unlock your device's full potential with a vast repository of jailbreak tweaks, apps, and themes. Customize everything from icons to system settings, all while enjoying a fast and user-friendly experience. Stay on top of the latest updates for your tweaks and apps with Silio 2's built-in update manager. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more jailbreak videos.